pallet wood. What's nice about this is it can be rough, it can have cracks. These miters don't have to be exactly perfect. Screw it all down. Now we draw a picture and our sign in there. This is a good place to use your old tape that you recycled. Of course, I just brad nailed them around the edge and to the back. You saw me glue it. Ready to go. Let that glue dry a little bit and you can write your picture in there. Cool. Probably take this out. Let it dry. Then we just need a hook or way to hang it. We'll deal with that later. One down, a couple more to go. Three. The gun's pottage. So I'm just tracing them. We could glue these on, but we're going to make them all the same with colors. Right, we're going to try 120 standing grit and maybe 240 if we can get it to get this, maybe that. Right the edge here. Alright, I fixed these two to spill by sanding it and redoing it. Still think it can use a little more pop, so we're thinking of, going around all the edges with this sharper edge. I want to put the letter down and trace it, so let's try that. Put the letter back down and trace around it.